Hey ladies, it's me, Keisha. Welcome to another vlog. Is this a vlog since technically I'm gonna be standing in one spot the entire time? Or is it a video? Because anyway, welcome if you are new. Today I'm gonna be duplicating my favorite Smoothie King smoothie. I spend way too much money in Smoothie King and I'm tired of it. So today I'm gonna be recreating my favorite Smoothie King, which is the lemon ginger spinach one. At this point, I have watched them make this every day for the past month. So I'm an expert at it. I'm an expert. So if you guys want to see how to make the lemon ginger spinach smoothie from Smoothie King, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna bring y'all a little closer. Bring y'all a little closer so y'all can see what I'm working with. I have my pineapples, my mangoes. The mangoes is what makes it thick. So make sure you put the mangoes in there. And if you sub anything, make sure it's not the mangoes because that's what makes it thick. And you really can't taste it depending on what you sub it with. So keep the mangoes. I have carrots, spinach and kale. I have ginger. I like the crushed currant with a little, it smells so strong, but love this. I have a lemon. Smoothie King use some kind of lemon apple juice, but I don't want any sugar in mine since I'm making it at home. I want it to be healthier, but I still want it to be sweet. So instead of using a juice, I'm going to juice up my own apples using the powerXL self-cleaning juicer. You guys can see that, I'll show you. But I'm gonna use this juicer and then just juice up these apples. Then I'm also gonna juice up the lemon because that's what makes it the lemon ginger spinach. Get it? Haha. And then I'm just gonna juice it up and put it in this cup. And I'm going to use that for my water. That way it's still sweet, but I'm not getting the extra sugars from the juice. Okay, keep in mind, strawberries does not come in a lemon ginger spinach one, but I usually sub the papaya juice for strawberries. That way it's not double juice because they already have the apple lemon juice plus the papaya juice that makes it way too sweet. So I just sub one of the juices, which is papaya, for the strawberries. But if you want it exactly how it comes, I just will go get some papaya from the store instead of the juice, and that way you can juice it up and make that your juice. So I'm about to juice up the apples right now in the self-cleaning XL juicer. It's over there if you guys can't see it. I just put the box right here for video effects. So I'm gonna juice this up and I'm gonna come back when I'm done and ready to start mixing all this stuff together. Okay, so I just finished juicing all of the apples. Here you go. It looked kind of gross, but that's because of that lemon in there. But this is the juice I'm gonna be using instead of water. But I do have a water bottle just in case I need a little bit. But I'm gonna try to use as much juice as possible. So I'm just going to pour some of the juice in here. It doesn't matter how much, it just depends on how thick or thin you want it to be. I like mine real thick, so I'm gonna pour about, maybe about half of what was in here up in there just to start off. This is a half a cup measurement, just to let you guys know. So I usually see them put 2 things of strawberries up in there. So I'm gonna put 1 cup. And then 2 cups, a little overboard, but close enough. 1 mango, 2 mango, and then pineapples. I usually only see them do 1 pineapple, so I only do 1 of these. And they usually use an ice cream scooper, just in case you wanted exactly what they use, but just 1. That's all for the fruit. Carrots. I don't see them use a lot of carrots, nor do I care for them, so I'm just gonna put just a half of a half, so like a 1/4 of a carrots. And then for the kale and spinach, I'm gonna do 1 cup of each. Let's see. It's about good enough. Spinach. I usually see them use more spinach than kale, but so I'll do like a half of a half for the kale and then a full. So So 1/4 for the kale and then a half for the 1/4 for the kale and then a half for the spinach. For the ginger, I just use 2. I do love ginger, so I'll do. Okay, there we go. 1. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna have ginger in my eyes soon. And yeah, let's blend it. And yeah, this is pretty much what I do. I'm gonna go ahead on and put the exact same thing I put just to make it double the amount. If you're going to do that, I recommend doing just the first measurement and then adding it once you juice all this down. That way you're not constantly trying to shake it to get the juice to blend the top. So I did that. Now I'm gonna go in with the same mixture. So 2 things of strawberry. 1, 2. 1 thing of pineapple. Put the lid on and blend it up. Start slow if you have a Vitamix. This Vitamix is on its last leg, so it's not blending like it's supposed to. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, that is all you do. I got my own Smoothie King cup that I had yesterday, just for the, you know, dramatical effects. And just pour it in a cup. And there you go. I always want to have the leftovers when I go to Smoothie King, but they never let me have it. So now that I'm making it at home, I can drink the leftovers. Put the top on it. I even have an extra straw. Let's try it. Tastes just like it. Whew. Little strong lemon. It literally tastes just like it. The only thing I would do differently next time is I will put a little bit less lemon because the lemon taste is strong. But besides that, it's really good. Also, you can use ice if you want. I just didn't use any ice because I wasn't using juice, so I wanted it as sweet as possible. But you can add ice, but you really don't need to if you're using frozen fruit, because if you can see, it's already thick. Like, it's already super thick, but I like it. I love it. I think I just brought Smoothie King for the last time yesterday. I'm gonna go on Amazon and get me some plastic, you know, cups with some lids on it and some straws, so that I can have the full experience of smoothie. And the best part about it is I get to keep the leftovers. Of course, Smoothie King usually pour it out, and I just be like, oh, all that delicious smoothie going down the drain. But now that I'm making it at home, I'm gonna save more money, and I get to have the leftovers. So there you have it, Smoothie King at home. Brain freeze. If you guys want me to recreate some other Smoothie King smoothies, just let me know, because I also know the recipe for the mixed berry immune builder, because that used to be my old drink, but now it's the lemon ginger spinach sub the papaya juice for strawberries. So let me know if y'all want to see some more smoothie recipes. I also have some homemade ones that I really like too, but lately I just been on this one. So let me know if y'all want to see more smoothie recipes. Y'all know I like smoothies in the morning time. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.